body, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Yes, it's another weekend vlog. Today is Friday, April 8th, I think. Yeah, and I know I've been MIA for a minute. I know you guys have not been seeing me, but that is a story for another day because it's a very long story. But I'm gonna give the story to you guys. I'm actually getting ready to go to work right now. Happy Friday. Thank God it's Friday. TGIF. All of that. But yeah guys, I just got my clothes on for work. I'm actually late. Supposed to be at work 8 o'clock and it's probably 8 o'clock now, but that's because I had to get my son ready for school. I just want to welcome you guys back to the vlog, and I'm not gonna make any promises because clearly I keep breaking these promises that I keep making to my lovers, my lovies. So I'm gonna stop making promises. I'm just gonna try my utmost best to continue to give you guys content, starting with the weekend vlogs. So even though my life's not adventurous, none at all, not eventful, no little nothing, but still, I still want to do that for you guys. So, as I said, I'm about to go to work, and on the way, I will pick up at the camera or whatever, but I just wanted to introduce the vlog and tell you guys happy Friday. Mwah. Oh, I did show you guys a little clip of what it is that I'm wearing to work today. On a nothing serious, one jeans pants, one slippers and one shirt. Yeah, I'm gonna pick up my handbag now, that's somewhere around there, I don't know, and then I'm gonna head out. As I said, I'm already late, so I'll see you guys later. And I don't know, I can't feel comfortable leaving the house without giving you guys a little OOTD in my dirty mirror, my infamous dirty mirror. So I'm wearing some sandals, a jeans, pants, and a polo top, and the Shein classic handbag. Yeah, kind of dark, but yes, that's me. Thank you. I just got to work.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, died.
So this is lunch. I'm having chicken wrap for lunch. I ate one of them already, so I'm gonna have the other three and drink some water, and that's that on that.
I got my bitches out in Georgia, yeah, shit. I get my weed from California, that's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah, badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah, that's it. And I say, oh, the way I breathe you in, it's the texture of your skin.
Ya go? Yeah. What's mad?
Really?
At 10 hours.
Okay. And you go early?
I am.
Hear that?
But I'm left with a picking that I can't go now.
Pitting now hold the woman again.
Well, then she don't know what to do for to get that.
Eh? Can't tap.
She wouldn't know what to do for to get that.
Can't tap. I shoot this month and I not see no result, and next month shoot and I make no result. I beat you what? No, I pay you or not yet.
You're carry it, right? And you know where you go to carry them, right?
Nah, carry.
I breathe you in, it's the texture of your skin. I wanna wrap my arms around you, baby, never let you go. Oh, and I say, oh.
Alright guys, so I'm back home from work. It was a long day. I mean, I didn't get to do much as it relates to showing you guys what I was doing because it was kind of a busy Friday. Not like normal, but I had to leave early, so I wanted to get everything done before I left, so I didn't really pick up the camera much. So now I'm looking a hot mess because I'm about to wash my hair I'm just update you now. I couldn't know say I reach home. I'm safe. I'm alright. I'm no want to no worry. But yeah, I'm about to wash my hair, and then I'll catch up back with you guys. Yeah. So for the entire Saturday, I just did my hair. It took a very long time, so that's all I did all of Saturday.
I get my weed from California. That's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. Badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah. Yeah, that's it. And I say, oh, the way I breathe you in, it's the texture of your skin. I wanna wrap my arms around you, baby, never let you go. Oh, and I say, oh, it's nothing like your touch. It's the way you lift me.
Happy Sunday, guys. I know that the vlog has been all over the place. I'm so sorry. Like, when I keep on, I get clip, but no talking from me. Well, y'all saw how Friday went. I ended the night by washing my hair and whatever. And then yesterday or Saturday, I went and got my hair turned into a Rasta lady. And so now, today I'm actually just cleaning. I'm not gonna bore on with all of that. Maybe one day we'll do a cleaning vlog or whatever. But today I'm not gonna bore on with that. Sincerely apologize for this choppy vlog, okay? But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys all the stuff that I got for my birthday. My birthday was a couple days ago. Yes, I'm an old woman now, been old. Anyway, so I just got done filming another video, and I was just about to, clean up my room because it's a hot mess. But I remember that I didn't share with you guys what I got for my birthday. I was about to, put these bags away. I didn't vlog on my birthday or anything. My birthday was just a few days ago. I've been missing for a while. I'm always a come and I go missing, but this time it's just a whole host of bad thing. Just keep on I'm like black cat follow me. Yeah, I just have to wonder if black cats follow me. But anyways, I was about to put these away, and I just said let me go ahead and share with you guys what I got for my birthday. But in between, I could just tell you know what's been going on and giving a little life update or whatever. So the main reason why I had stopped filming right so as I'm just ready for get on with it and say yeah, I'm gonna be consistent and whatever, boom, COVID basically said alright, she done, and I had to go back to work. No more work from home, not much free time, okay. My son started going back to school and just whole heap of that, and I just wasn't prepared. Some of it flustered and all over the place, and I just said I try to get things together, get back in our routine and all of that. And then secondly, I filmed on my phone, and the phone screen she decided say she got drop and crack up. Yeah, so no phone, all over the place with school and work and this and that. Yeah, all over the place with school, work, this, that, and the third. But no, YouTube is my first love, so I'm always gonna be coming back to you guys. So that's what's up. I'm going to school, so that's the next thing I did for mama. I already did have, and it's a whole bunch of things I did have for but actually it took some getting used to. So now I'm here, I'm back, I guess. I'm gonna turn on the fan. Yes, so now I'm here, I'm back, I guess. I turn on the fan, so if you're hearing the fan in the background, I apologize in advance, but your girl is hot. Listen, me hot. Well, apart from me being actually hot, but anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys what I got for my birthday. This is just a few of the stuff that I got for my birthday. A few of my friends decided to do shmonies for the gift, so I don't have physical gift from them, but big up on yourself. Whoever did send this money to my account is grateful. Anyways, so this, I'm gonna start with this. I got my first Pandora bracelet. So my friend got me a Pandora bracelet, so it's just this is what it came in, and then it's cute little box. I'm never throwing this away. I'm gonna actually put it on my dresser for decoration or whatever. The bag, so I'm not sure what the bag. I'm feeling away about it, but this is it. I've been wearing it. So you guys know how Pandora packaging is, all cute. Yeah, and then the bracelet was right here in the middle. And yeah, that was that. So really appreciated the person who gave me this. You already know I love you. So I got that, and while we're on Pandora, I think I got another Pandora gift, and that was a charm. It's just a heart. Hint, a joke. But yeah, I got a heart charm, and it also came in a cute little box that says Pandora as well. I'm not throwing it away either. Now that she's way crazy. Anyways, so this is what the charm came in. So everybody else out there, whenever I get me a gift or anything, the bracelet is empty. There's only one charm on it. You guys can go ahead and gift me other charms. So this bracelet, it actually has the rose gold clasp, so it means it locked with the rose gold something. I think it's really cute, and I really liked the little heart charm right here. Yeah, appreciate it. I also got, I got a Bridget sandals. I got two. Well, I got money to buy one, and somebody actually gifted me one. This one is the K. I'll wear it the night when we get it, because we never bring the flat slippers, and we did I go somewhere else, so I wear it. So it's the K. It's in baby pink. So cute, so pretty. Yeah, so I got that. Alright, so this bag is actually empty because I already took it out. I actually got a perfume in this bag. It's right here on the dresser. So it's called Deval or Deville, Deauville, by Michael Germain. You guys can look it up if you're interested. It smells really nice. Love that. This bag is empty as well. This was also perfume. I got two perfumes in this one. I got this Kenneth Cole White. It's called. Smells really good. And I got this little Coleen. Anyways, I got this little one called Only New York City by Elizabeth Arden, Fifth Avenue. One of them, Fifth Avenue or something like that. Elizabeth Arden. Smell nice too. The girls them have taste, but it's bad. And then the last gift that I got, like physical gift, was this. It was, I think, a necklace and a bracelet. I think I took out the necklace, but the bracelet is still in here. Just a little heart shaped thingy bracelet. I can't put it on because I have on nails, but yeah, that's basically what I got from my birthday. So I'm just gonna finish tidying up the place and whatever. Alright guys, so since all I have left to do is just clean, because I'm gonna be going on the road. I'm gonna run a few quick errands today. I'm not gonna vlog where I'm going because I just don't want to, I guess. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I know it wasn't much, but just to get back into the groove of things and the swing of things, I'm gonna just say, let me just take out the camera anyways. So even if you didn't enjoy it, I hope you did though. Just give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video. I'll see you guys in the next one.